Okay, so we've created a struct here called car. Car name is a string. Doors, U8, age, U8. What if we wanted to allow somebody to have the option to put in a decimal, for instance, 5.5 for the age if the car was 5.5 years old? You wouldn't want to create a struct for each option. So what we've got here is U8. We're going to change this. And what we're going to do is you use the greater than, and then you specify a letter, capital letter we'll put in here. And then whatever you've put in on line 3 in between those angled brackets, you put in here. So we'll run that and check it still works, which it does. Then age can be a float, and it still works. We don't get an error. So thus allowing us to enter either a float or an actual integer. To go further, we could also allow somebody to put in, I know it'd be unlikely to get a decimal point of doors, but let's just do it anyway. And for doors, let's do 5.5 doors. And we get an error because we need to put a comma in here. The error messages in Rust are so good. I say they're so good, they didn't help me there, did they? Expected, where, okay, or after struct name. Let's try this. There we go. And we've got 5.5, 3.5. Now, if we change those back from floats back to integers and run it again, there we go. 5 doors, and the car is 3 years old. So this is how to do generic structs in Rust. So it allows you to use the struct, whether you want to do a float, integer, and yeah, gives you a bit more flexibility, and it saves you having to define a separate struct for each type, data type. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with some more videos.